Write a blog about AI. ChatGPT running query. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. From healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment, AI is already being used to improve efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility. One of the most exciting things about AI is its ability to learn and adapt. This is achieved through the use of machine learning algorithms, which allow computers to analyze data and make predictions or decisions based on that analysis. As more data is fed into the system, the AI becomes more accurate and sophisticated in its ability to perform tasks. One of the key benefits of AI is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. This has led to significant advances in fields such as healthcare, where AI is being used to analyze medical records, identify patterns, and make recommendations for treatment. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in the transportation industry. Self-driving cars and trucks are becoming increasingly common, and AI is playing a key role in their development and operation. These vehicles are equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to see their environment and make decisions based on that data. In addition to its practical applications, AI is also being used in a variety of creative and entertainment fields. For example, AI-powered music and art projects are beginning to emerge, allowing computers to generate unique and original works. There are, of course, many challenges and ethical considerations surrounding the development and use of AI. Ensuring that AI systems are fair and unbiased, and protecting the privacy of individuals, are just a few of the issues that need to be carefully considered as the field continues to evolve. Overall, AI has the potential to bring about significant changes and improvements in a wide range of industries and sectors. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, it will be interesting to see how they shape our world in the coming years.